Introducing first, this is our group member.
Hi there, my name is Phonetic and my metric number is 97641. So I present the scope of project for our assignment 1, and the first question is, where was the data collected? We collect the data at Sri Aman and University Malaysia Sarawak, which is UNIMAS in short. So how do we identify the participants? There are 3 points, and the first point is we choose those who age 16 to 25 years old for the youth, and 60 and above for an older adult. So that means there are 2 participants. And the second point is we choose people that we know, so that it will be easy for us to acquire the participation in our assignment. And the last point is we interview people that still remember the culture of Iban, so that the culture can be maintained until the future. That's it.
The process that we went through to complete the assignment, we begin by researching the Iban language to understand its phonetics, syntax, and cultural context. This might include looking into the history, structure, and usage of the language. Useful resources could include academic papers, linguistic database, and cultural studies that's related to the Iban community. The second process is finding Iban interviewees. One of our team members identify and contact 2 native Iban speakers willing to participate in our study. These individuals should have good command of the language and be familiar with traditional Iban stories and games. The third process is conducting interviews. During the interview, we ask the interviewees to share traditional story and explain games that they know in Iban language. Ensure the content is spoken naturally to capture authentic language usage. Then we record the audio of this interview session. Next, we import the recorded audio files into Prat, a software tool for phonetic analysis. Then, we listen to the recording and transcribe the spoken content. This involves writing down the exact words spoken in Iban language. After that, we make the phonetic analysis in Prat. Then, we use Prat to create a detailed phonetic transcription of each word from the audio. This includes noting down the sounds and how they are articulated following phonetic notation guideline. This step helps in understanding the pronunciation and phonetic structure of the Iban language. Finally, we upload each audio file along with its phonetic transcription to Kalaka Web, a platform designed for linguistic data analysis and sharing.
This assignment presents an orderly system for studying the Iban language. First stage is to gather background data from the credible source. Reaching out to relevant organizations and explaining the purpose of study is the first step in finding interview subjects. Interviewing requires careful preparations and high-caliber audio recording. Transcriptions align text and audio in Prat to offer accurate analysis. IPA is used in phonetic analysis to break down words into their phonetic constituent. Lastly, when uploading to Kalaka Web, data accessibility in structure are ensured. This process highlights how important it is to carry out in-depth research, collect precise data, and truly analyze it.
There is 3 new Iban words that I had learned. The first one would be enchelagit, which means shudder. Enchelagit bini ia engkau Saloi empu, which translates to his wife is shudder like Saloi himself. Secondly is ngelalaika, which means hide. Lalu berjalan menuju pun kayu ti endur seduai ia ngelalaika daging, which means then he walked towards the tree where they hide the meat. Thirdly is taut, which means fishnet. Ngetan ke taut sida ia taukah kinti sida ia batebing sungai lebih ki ari siti, which translates to holding the fishing net, which is more than one, at the riverbank.